Why is it your business if someone has surgery? Why is it your business if someone goes to the gym or doesn't go to the gym? Why is it your business if someone uses Facetune, Photoshop, manipulates their shape, got surgery? Why is it your business? Why is it your concern? Once you get the answer, is it going to stop you from eating the snacks? Is it going to motivate you to go to the gym? Is it going to motivate you to drink your water and mind your business? Once you find out if someone goes to the gym, has surgery, got a BBL, uses Facetune, whatever it is, what will it then do for you? Once you get your answer, how will that change your life? Let's get into this video. And tired. Now listen, I'm just about sick and tired and sick of people asking me if I got my body done. No, I haven't got my body done. Yes, I work out. I'm also tired of women, and these sometimes are the same women who are on social media platforms talking about they for girl bosses, woman empowerment, like, let's get the bag together, sis, and be the same ones under people's comments, not only body shaming them, maybe because they got surgery, body shaming them maybe because they are curvier or struggle with losing weight, body shaming them because they're skinny or too skinny by society standards, face shaming, waist shaming, butt shaming, breast shaming, woman shaming, all together. I am tired of it. Stop it. Stop it. It is hard enough being in this society, being a woman, trying to live up to a certain standard that magazines, that the media tells us we have to live up to. And it doesn't help that you sit around with your friends, key to the key, DM nasty photos about different women. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that I've never spoken bad about a woman. I have. I am guilty. But you know what? That was my past life. This life here, as a woman, as I grow and as I mature and learn, I realize people go through personal things. People have personal issues. Maybe someone can't lose weight because they're having boyfriend problems, money problems, family problems, self-esteem problems. Maybe someone can't gain a booty or gain breasts because it's not in their family. It's not in their genetic makeup. Maybe a girl went to get surgery because she had a baby, or maybe she went to get surgery because she felt pressure from social media. That's her business. But what we're not going to do is sit here as women and pick apart other women and put them down. That's not okay. That's not okay. It has to stop today. Because the same women who sit here and comment and leave nasty messages and create fake pages are the same women who A, struggling with their weight, B, feel like they can't get the body that they desire, and 3, they're miserable and they don't like who they are. You have to stop it. You have to stop it. Stop it altogether. We're not doing it. My question to you is, once you find out if someone has surgery, they got a BBL, they got their breasts done, they got their waist done, they got their eyelids done, they got their hairline done, they got their foot done. They go to the gym, they don't go to the gym. They do keto, they don't do keto. Once you find out that information, what will change inside of you? What will that information do for your life? I'm gonna wait a few minutes. What is it gonna do? What is it gonna do? So that same energy, because listen guys, I felt it. I've got close to 3 million views on TikTok with 10,000 comments. And guess what? They're nasty. People can be nasty. Very, very nasty. That same energy could be used into building yourself up, working on your self-esteem, putting it to your business. If you can't answer the question, if I found out and this is what would happen next, sweetie, you worried about the wrong thing. You are worried about the wrong thing. Go work on your business. Stop procrastinating. Go drink your water and mind your business. Go to the gym. Go exfoliate your skin. Go take a shower. Go do something for you. Stop putting your energy and your focus into other people and their body. Like I said, as a woman, we already think 1,000 things a mile a minute, okay? We don't need the constant stress from women. And let me bring it on back. And I'm not going to sit here and say men don't say certain things. But a lot of time it is women. It is women who look like you, walk like you, talk like you.